Welcome back, everybody. Today we take a huge step forward in getting the engine mounted in the car. We found some rust after pulling out the engine, so we're going to go ahead and remove these brake lines, rip out this old metal, and get some new metal welded in, painted, and taken care of. To give you an idea of what I'm trying to accomplish today, I've got some cardboard here. Basically, I'm going to be cutting out the metal on the shock tower and welding in a new piece, and I'm also going to reinforce it with a second piece just because I don't know if this steel is as strong as what was factory in that car. And I'm also going to be cutting out a top piece and forming it to follow the contour of the shock tower, and I'm going to weld that on top. And I'm going to stitch weld the entire way and grind it down as smooth as I can, and then fiberglass over it just to make it nice and smooth. I've welded the metal in the car and grinded it down somewhat smooth. It's far from perfect, and this is a budget build and not a show car, so I'm okay with that. But in order to make it a little bit more smooth, I'm going to use some fiberglass embedded body filler, which I'm going to apply using this guy right here. And then I'm going to come back and hit it with a dual action sander with 120 grit sandpaper just to smooth it down. I'll go ahead and put a final coat on top of that of Bondo, and I'll hit it with 220 grit on a simple hand sander, and then we'll go ahead and paint it.